Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain amma ba'du. Excellency to Dr. Haji Hanifudin Mahadun and Dr. Haji Hamid Udawati as Director Pesantren Supercamp Al-Quran Al-Raibah Hanifida. Excellency to my teacher, junior and senior high school Al-Quran Al-Raibah Hanifida, and excellency to my friends and my parents. Today I want to explain my mind mapping, the title of the Three Little Pig. A long time ago, there lived three little pigs that want to build their own house. The first little pig built his house with dried straw, and the second little pig built his house with stick. They both finished their house in a short time because they were too lazy to build a proper house. Then they both sang and danced all day. Meanwhile, the third little pig building house with bricks and he worked hard all day. One day, a big bad wolf wanted the two little pigs were dancing and singing outside. What a juicy dance they will make, said the wolf to himself. Then the wolf chased pigs, but they pig, but then the wolf chased both pigs, but they both ran away and hid in their own house. The wolf went to the first little pig's house that was made out of dried straw. He took a deep breath and blew the house down in minutes. The frightened little pig ran to the second pig house that was made of stick. The wolf followed and now he came to the second little pig's house. He took a deep breath and blew the house down in minutes. Now the two little pigs were tired and ran away to the third little pig house. The wolf then followed them and came to the third house that was made of bricks. He took a deep breath and blew the house, but nothing happened. He kept trying to blow the house for hours, but the house was too strong. Then he looked up at the roof. He climbed up and tried to enter through the chimney. The three little pigs inside heard a noise from the chimney. They know it was the wolf, so they built a hook pot of water and kept it below the chimney. The wolf fell into it and died. The first two little pigs now felt so sorry for being so lazy and promised to build a house with bricks. Jadi kisah dari babi kecil ini adalah yang pertama itu suatu hari terdapat tiga babi akan membangun rumah. Nah, babi yang pertama itu dia itu membuat rumah dari jerami kering. Babi yang kedua membuat rumah dari ranting kayu. Karena mereka berdua itu sangat malas untuk membuat rumah yang layak. Akhirnya mereka menyelesaikannya dalam waktu singkat dan mereka berdua berdansa dan bernyanyi. Sedangkan babi kecil yang ketiga, dia itu bekerja keras membuat rumah dari batu bata. Nah, suatu hari serigala itu melihat kedua babi kecil itu sedang berdansa dan bernyanyi dan ingin memakannya. Akhirnya si serigala itu mendatangi keduanya dan mengejarnya. Nah, si babi yang pertama itu datang ke rumahnya yang terbuat dari jerami kering. Tetapi akhirnya si serigala itu menahan napas dan meniupnya hingga akhirnya rumah itu roboh. Kemudian si babi yang pertama itu berlari ke rumah babi yang kedua yang terbuat dari ranting kayu. Nah, akhirnya serigala pun mengikutinya dan meniup rumah itu. Akhirnya rumah itu pun roboh. Akhirnya kedua babi itu ketakutan dan pergi ke rumah babi yang ketiga yang terbuat dari batu bata. Nah, serigala pun mengikutinya tetapi akan meniupnya. Tetapi dalam beberapa jam dia meniupnya itu tetap tidak terjadi apa-apa. Akhirnya dia tetap mencoba. Dia itu kayak ke cerobong naik ke atap dan akan masuk melalui cerobong asap. Tapi ketiga babi itu mendengar suara, akhirnya mereka itu merebus air di dalam hook pot dalam panci yang besar hingga membuat serigala itu mati. Oke, thank you very much. I'm sorry for all my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.